we guide you through how to set up Xero for beginners. First, sign into your Xero account or start a free trial if you're new. Once you're on the dashboard, enter your business details including your business name, country, and financial year settings. Next, customize your chart of accounts or use Xero default option if you're just getting started. After that, connect your business bank account to automatically import transactions or manually add your bank account if you prefer. Then, set up your invoices by adding your business logo, payment terms, and preferred invoices template. If you need to track expenses, add your supplier and create expense categories. You can also invite your accountant or team members by going to the user settings and assigning appropriate permissions. Before using Xero for daily bookkeeping, review your tax rates, currency settings, and organization preferences to make sure everything matches your business requirements. And finally, create a test invoice, record a sample expenses, and reconcile a bank transaction to confirm your setup is working correctly.